Switching from Rogers to public mobile and keeping your number is straightforward. Number porting is your right in Canada, allowing you to change providers without losing your digits. Public mobile, owned by Rogers, makes this transition smoother. Here's what you need to know. First, obtain a PIN from Rogers by calling 1-888-764-3771 or using their app. This PIN is crucial for authorizing the transfer. Then sign up with Public Mobile on their website or app, selecting a plan. When prompted, enter your Rogers account number, IMEI, billing address, and most importantly, the PIN you received. Public Mobile will handle the rest, activating your service typically within 4 to 24 hours. Downtime, when your number is inactive during the transfer, usually lasts 4 to 24 hours. Port during weekdays to minimize this. Digital solutions, such as online apps, are streamlining the number porting process. Public Mobile and Rogers have increased the speed of porting by automating the process using digital methods. Telecom analyst Mark Goldberg emphasizes that Rogers to Public Mobile ports offer value. The CRTC highlights that incorrect PIN entries are a major cause of porting errors, and it is important to double-check your PIN before submitting the request. Enjoy your savings with Public Mobile.